Hi, I'm Melissa Draycott at Craig Dunn Motor City. I'm here in our service drive-through. It's a fully equipped service drive-through that is here for the purpose of people being able to come to our service department without actually getting out of your vehicle when you need service work done. And today I'm here with Justin in our parts department, and we're here to talk about tires.
With the snow we seen the other day, it's time to start thinking about winter tires. Temperatures are dropping down there now. We always use 7 degrees Celsius as our magic number to put winter tires on. We're seeing lots of that now, so it's pretty well time to get them on there. We are an MPI accredited shop, so we take care of you with your MPI program for financing your winter tires and rims and TPMS sensors and the whole shooting match. Studded tires are coming up here October 15th. You can get those on there. Hopefully we don't see any snow and ice by then, and maybe we won't need them by then, but the time is near, so it's time to start thinking about it.
So we carry all makes and all sizes of tires. If we don't have them in stock, we can get you the set of tires that you need. As Justin said, we're MPI accredited, so if you need some financing for that, then we can look after that here at the dealership as well. When it's time to put on your tires, we do prefer that you give us a call or make an appointment on our website in order to get your tires installed properly in a timely fashion. Don't hold off too long because there are lots of people switching tires already, and it's definitely something that allows you to drive safer on Manitoba roads. So hope to see you soon here at the Motor City, ready and safe for winter.